Hello friend, welcome to Hacky Tacky. In today's tutorial we are going to learn about File Explorer. File Explorer was introduced with Windows 95. At that time it was known as Window Explorer. User interface items like desktop and taskbar are also the part of File Explorer. There are 4 ways by that you can open File Explorer. First, by clicking this PC. Second, by typing File Explorer in the search, hit enter. Third, by running run command and typing Explorer. And fourth, just by pressing Windows E. By default, File Explorer don't show you the hidden files. To show the hidden files, click on the view, click on hidden items. This will show any hidden files. If you don't find the hidden items option here, then click on the options, click on the view and enable it from here. In some of the PC, if you don't find icon like this, click on file, go to the change folder and search options, go to the view and enable it by clicking here, show hidden files and folders and drives. Apply, OK. If you want a particular files and folders, just press Ctrl and click on your desired folder. That folders and files will be selected. If you want to select a range of folder or file, just click on first. By holding shift, click on the last. In between, all files or folders will get selected. If you hold shift and right click, then you will get a bunch of extra options. To rename a file, just right click and click on rename. If you want to rename the next one, hit tab and then rename. Hit tab and then rename the next one. If you want to rename the previous one, hit shift tab and rename. Enter. You can create folder just by right clicking and new, create new folder, or either you can hit Ctrl Shift N, enter. Drag and select the files and by holding left mouse button, drag it to the folder. This will move the file to the folder. If you want to copy the file into the folder, drag and select the files, hold Ctrl while dragging them into the folder. This will make a copy of the files. You can search by using File Explorer address bar. You can even open application using File Explorer address bar such as CMD, Chrome, Firefox, Notepad. If you want to close a File Explorer, you can click on this icon, or there is another way you can close the File Explorer just by double clicking on the left topmost corner. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel.